In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Carrd. First, head to your Carrd dashboard. Here you'll see any sites you've already made. To start a new one, choose New Site, then open the All view so you can browse every option. Carrd organizes starter designs by purpose. Profile layouts are great for a simple bio or link in bio page. Landing templates focus on a single message or call to action. Form templates are built to collect responses. Portfolio designs put your work front and center. Section templates give you a multi-section site with built-in navigation. If you'd rather design from scratch, you can also begin with a completely blank page. If you've saved your own designs, you can open My Templates to reuse them. When you're done exploring, switch back to the default template library. Pick the design that fits your goal and click Select to open it in the editor. Now make your edits. Replace the placeholder text, add your images or logos, and adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your style. Use the panel to select elements on the page and fine-tune their settings. Take a moment to scan through each section so your headings, buttons, and links are consistent. When you're ready to save or go live, use the Publish or the Save icon at the top. Enter a clear title so you can recognize the project later, and a concise description to summarize what the site is about. Under Action, choose what you want to do next. You can publish to a free carrd.co URL, which is quick and great for sharing. If you already have your own domain, choose the custom domain option. You can also save your work as a template to reuse or save an offline draft if you want to keep working without publishing yet. Finally, click Save or Publish to confirm. That's it. Your Carrd site is created and ready to share. Thanks for watching and happy building.